Hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video I'm going to talk about the type of gloves that I wear for the day-to-day lawn mowing tasks in my business to protect my hands without leaving them sweaty. Coming up. So hey Lawn Care Nation, over the past 12 years in business, I've gone through a lot of different types of gloves to wear on a daily basis for mowing, trimming, pruning, all sorts of stuff. So if you saw my video a few weeks ago, I'll leave a link below to the best type of gloves to wear for pruning rose bushes and other thorn type bushes. You would have seen that I recommended these thick, heavy leather welding gloves to protect your hands. But what types of gloves have I found to work best for the day-to-day tasks when you don't need something as heavy as those, but you still want to protect your hands? You want to still maybe keep your hands as clean as possible without sacrificing getting your hands all sweaty like I found wearing most types of gloves on the market. So what I came across were these simple, very inexpensive NitrileDipped gloves. So basically they're just like a cloth or nylon type material glove. They got a nice elastic sort of wrist area band there, but then they're dipped in this rubber sort of coating on them, which it's waterproof on the bottom side. It protects your hands for things like cleaning out the bottom of your lawnmower deck. It doesn't, inhibit the use of your fingers like some really thick, maybe heavy gloves would if you're trying to get into certain areas. And the nice thing is that the top is left without that rubberized coating. So they let the tops of your hands breathe. And I found with these gloves that I never get sweaty hands anymore, and I can wear these all day long. In my lawn care business, like I said, on the day-to-day mowing tasks, they work great. They give you, full range of motion, perfect for mowing, perfect for using the trimmer, the blower, everything you need, that doesn't require the really heavy-duty sort of protection that something like the big welding gloves would with thorn bushes. I like them even in the summer, like I said, because they allow your skin to breathe. They roll up really nicely, so you can keep them short if you want on your hand. So the nice thing about these gloves is that they're super inexpensive. They usually come in multi-packs of 6 or 12 or even more. And like I say, just really inexpensive for what they are. I use them pretty much for everything. Once I discovered these gloves and the fact that they don't leave my hands all sweaty and that, they're perfect for me mowing in the rain. They protect that bottom side. They keep my hands clean all day, yet they're completely breathable, which I love. So I'll leave a link down below to some similar NitrileDipped gloves that I've seen on Amazon.com if you want to check them out. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what type of glove is your favorite glove to use day to day in your lawn care business. Also, if you want to support the podcast, you like the content that I'm creating, check out the Lawn Care Business Success Podcast t-shirt collection. I'll have a link down below to my Amazon.com affiliate store where you can check out a whole new line and new set of shirts that I just released. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.